Good morning, 早上好. Last week, we learned Chinese special verbs together. Each verb has different meanings. Do you still remember? And this week, we are going to learn special verbs, but each verb has different pronunciations. Okay, today we are going to learn 4 special verbs. Number 1 is 教 or 教. Okay, let's read the sentence together. 我在教室教中文。我在教室教中文。Okay, what does it mean? 我 I 在 in or at 教室means classroom. So this character with the 4th tone, it's a noun. Okay, 教室 Okay, 教中文 teach Chinese. So 教, this character with the 1st tone, it's a verb and it means to teach. Okay, so in this one sentence, the same character, it has 2 pronunciations. 我在教室教中文. Okay. Noun, 4th tone. Verb, 1st tone. Okay. 我在教室教中文. Okay. And the next character, how do you read this? Well, 教 and 教, 拼音, the 拼音, they are the same. Just the tone, the tones, they are different. But this character, 拼音, they are different, right? This is 还 and this is 还. Okay, what does it mean? Let's read the sentence together. 你还没把书还给我。你还没把书还给我。Here, 还 Here, 还 Okay, wow. So this character has 2 pronunciations. And then in one sentence, because of the 把 here, you know, oh, okay, this is the adverb and this is the verb. As an adverb, 还 verb, 还 Okay, so 你还没把书还给我. What does it mean? You have not returned the book to me. Okay, maybe you have a voice disorder. Well, if you remember the structure of 把, you will know. Okay, adverb before the 把, the verb after 把. Okay, 还没 not yet. 还给我. 还 return to me. 还给我. 把书还给我. Return the book to me. Okay, so you haven't returned the book to me. 你还没把书还给我. So this, it's a verb and also it's an adverb. It depends on the location, right? The position, here or here, and also the meanings. Okay, next one. How do you read this one? Well, you can say 数 and you can also say 数. But 数 it's a verb. 数 it's a noun. Okay, let's read this sentence together. 你会不会数数？你会不会数数？你 means you. 会不会 means can you do or you cannot do. So 你会不会说中文 Can you speak Chinese or you cannot speak Chinese? 你会不会 Okay. 数 means to count. 数 means the numbers. But how do I know? The first one is the 数, the second one is the 数. Okay, so this character, as a verb, it must be the 3rd tone. Okay, as a noun, is the 4th tone. And also in Chinese, we always put the verb before the noun. It's like English SVO. So we know this must be a verb and this must be a noun. And then, okay, the verb, the third tone, and the noun is the fourth tone. Okay, so if you say 你会不会数数? If you say the opposite, maybe the people cannot understand you. It's also very important here. Okay, so can you count the numbers? 你会不会数数? Okay, next one. This one is very special. Why? Here, okay, the pronunciations, they are different. That's why I know, oh, it's a verb or it's a noun. But here, very special because it only has one pronunciation. And then because of the position, the meaning will be changed. Okay, let's read the sentence. 我最喜欢画画，画画，画 to draw something. 画 the picture, draw the picture. 画画。我最喜欢画画。最 means like the top, the best. 最喜欢 means favorite. So 最喜欢画画 means like drawing the picture best. 我最喜欢画画. I like drawing the picture best. Okay, so 画 is the verb. 画 the left tone, it's a noun. 画画，画画. Okay, so today we learned 4 special verbs. And I tried my best to make these sentences because I want you to remember these verbs easily. And if you know any other verbs like this, you can also try to make some sentences. Okay, thank you for watching today, and if you have any other questions, you can leave your comments. I will see you next time. 谢谢，再见。